Hello, Tati, this one. Due to the water issue, the man do small and then when the ground dry and do it so tomorrow by the grace of God, we will start cutting all of the plant so we can be done with their work. Because of the water, the machine still sticking. So tomorrow, we start cutting off the plant one by one. When we're done with the plant cutting, then they may be working within the plant. And working the one plant, we move to another plant. Because by that time, all the water will be dry. So as you can see up here, it's a little bit dry. That's why you want to do. But water still on it. So for that reason, we still find it difficult to turn the soil around. But from tomorrow, when we dig the plant, then all the water will dry. Then we start doing the plant by plant, plant by plant. By that time, all the place will be dry. So this is it. And tomorrow, we decide to take the whole day to start cutting the stumps. So we need enough gasoline to start cutting all of the stumps that are left. To start cutting all of the stumps that the power source is supposed to cut. So we start cutting off every stump tomorrow when we get the gasoline for the power source. And we also need gasoline for the grass cutting machine. So this is this one. So tomorrow, on cut the plant, and now be working in plant by plant. When we dig the other plant from year to year, when you work here, then we take the machine, put it to the next area. So the work can be easier. But carrying the scratch, it will not be easy because they play long. You'll be jumping inside, jumping inside. So tomorrow, you see?
Not yet.
It had to make you laugh. Let me make you laugh. Johnson begin at 0. So this is it. Tomorrow we start early in the morning because if they cut the plant, we have to start working. As they cut the plant, we have to start working. So when we get the gas, then tomorrow we can start the cutting of all of the stump that the power source is supposed to cut. But we're short of gas. So tomorrow if we get the gas, by the grace of God, then we will be able to cut off the remaining stump. As you can see all here. Only one stump standing here, which is that stump. From here all the way up there, with that big trees in there. So this is this entire swamp. That rubber bush you see is the demarcation, that is the pantry that beside that rubber bush. So all the storm you see tomorrow, when we get the gasoline, the entire place will get clear. So this is it. This is the downside of the swamp. As you can see, the man is working today, Sunday, the man is still working. So he said he want to be done with the entire Saturday from here to the end there. He want to work in the entire center because up here is a little bit dry. So he want to work here to be done with here. Then we'll cut the plat net tomorrow now. We'll just be from plat to plat, from plat to plat. Then the entire work will be easy for us, then we'll be done. Because the rest are already growing and we need to put them on the ground. So I'm standing almost like in the center of that is our fish pool. In rainy season, we are coming to take all of that, come touch water. Because if the rainfall will force, the breeze, all of that pantage will fall into the water. It may likely kill some of the fish. So we take it off. This is it for the swamp. Let me move over to the laughter grasses. So all of the video. This is our push, our area as well. But on that side is not for that side is not for the boundary, is for that palm tree. Okay, between here, a palm tree and a small palm tree. The palm tree that in the center of it. The palm tree that in the center is our palm tree.